So I finished with my doctor's appointment. Sorry, the light is like really bad. It's really sunny. There should be like a class when you're in medical school, like bedside manner. He had 0. They got more blood out of me. Yay. So he said that I'm in the parking lot of the Dollar Tree. I'm looking around, making sure none of the sketchy people get me. He said that there's mild inflammation, which duh, I knew that. Got the paperwork on that. And it could be mild Graves' disease, which I kind of come to that conclusion on my own because WebMD. So, and also my vitamin D is really low, so he called in a prescription for that. And sorry, just looking around here. They very distracted. They'll see me in June, I guess, unless there's something in the blood work. He wanted to confirm what he thought with the blood work because they need to see the antibodies. So that's where we are. And I love that every doctor, if you are a little bit overweight, do you have diabetes? No, dude, I don't. We will run a test. Fine, run the blood test. I don't care. Doctors need to stop with that crazy. I'm fat, I'll tell you. Girl, I'm not even gonna lie. But I'm tired of people like, oh, so you're diabetic. No, I'm not diabetic. Pet peeve. Anyway, I need to go into the Dollar Tree. You're going with me. I'm gonna look for some baking soda. Yeah. And I need a basket for toilet paper. So, we'll see what happens here. Looks like the Easter Bunny threw up in here. Boo. Ooh. I'll get it later. Hello. They moved the store around. I don't know where anything's at now. Got a phone call. Still in the Dollar Tree. I want that. I will not buy it. I think I want to change baskets because this one's kind of flimsy. So we're going back to the basket aisle. Yay. I don't really like any of these. Maybe I'll just go to Five Below. Look at this stuff and no. Alright, left the Dollar Tree. Now I'm at Five Below. Much better baskets. We're going with this. 2 of them. Okay, I back from Dollar Tree and Five Below. Let's go through my haul. Okay, we'll start with the Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, our Dollar Tree is so janky. It's janky. Anyway, I got a DIY banner. I don't know why I bought this. I thought it was cute. Who knows? And ooh, I think it's leaking. I got 2 things of baking soda, which I didn't know were cheap. Like, I thought, I don't know, they're only 59 cents each. And before somebody comes at me like, girl, you could have went to Walmart and got that for 49 cents. I did not have time to deal with Walmart. I didn't want to deal with the crazy. I don't care. Anyway. So went next door to Five Below. Or, yeah, Five Below. Duh, Heather, hello. And I got this basket, which has the rope handles on it. It can collapse down. Kind of cute, pinkish with like a diamond print on it. Not the best lighting, sorry friends. And I couldn't decide, so I went ahead and bought both of these. If I want to, I can take one of them back, but I think I can probably use both of them for something. Got this hard plastic basket. So I think toilet paper actually, it'll fit in both of those, but I'm gonna see which one it fits in better, and then whichever one I don't use, like I said, I'll find something else to use it for, or I can take it back because I have the receipts. So, and somebody almost hit me in the Walmart parking lot. Like, she was coming through the lane, like just driving like halfway across the parking lot, like not like through the parking spaces, not driving like where you should be driving. She was paying no attention. I saw her out of the corner of my eye, and it's probably good that I wasn't like filming because I would have had to edit it out because I said a really bad word. Yeah. If she would have hit me, it would have been her fault. And she would have hit me in my driver's side door, and I probably would have been really hurt. Idiots. I'm really tired. I think I might want to lay down for a little bit. Of course, if you follow me on Instagram last week, actually the week before last, not even last week, on Friday, I was getting ready to leave for work, and I wanted to open the bifold doors on my laundry closet, and they'd been kind of loose. I thought I fixed it. I went to open the door, and the whole door fell off and like almost hit me in the head. Would have crushed my dreams. Probably would have crushed my skull. thankfully I had my hand like just in the right place and I caught it before it came down and hit me. So the doors still have not been put back on. I put in a request that same day. It's been 8 business days, 8.5 business days, and they still have not come to fix this. Angel and his crew of maintenance men need to get on it, because a couple more days of this, no. I'll have to like march over to the office and get all crazy with them, like fix the stuff, and then they're all like, oh, we're so sorry. Oh, they lose stuff. Well, then clearly your system doesn't work. I mean, I'm not bossy. I just know what you should be doing. That would be my next merch line. After no one likes the stinky girl. I think I had a couple other ones, but yeah, I'm not bossy. I just know what you should be doing. Yep. So I'm going to end this here and maybe just go watch some Netflix. Because I know about the second I fall asleep, they're going to come in here to fix that door. Yeah. Probably should stay on the couch so I can hear the door. So anyway, I'll talk to you all later. If you like this content, make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell below so you get a notification every single time I post a video. I'll talk to you later. Bye, divas.